So if you've got a siphon that needs changing, be it the siamp one or these dual flush ones, dead easy. Unscrew this screws off, obviously take the lid off. I just did that for demonstration purposes. Now these are locked in by lugs. You just twist it. You don't even have to turn the water off. You can do, but you don't need to. So you just get your hand in and twist, pop it out. Get your new one, pop the new one in, twist, locks in place, down there. Put that on, put that on, done. So I told you it was going to be quick, didn't I? Those siamp siphons, really great. If you've got one, real easy to swap. Like I say, you don't even have to turn the water off, nothing, just one in, one out, twist, off you go. Just make sure that you set the new one correctly, water levels, fill levels and so on. Check the old one if you're not sure how to do it. If you've got one already there, you'll have it preset and you can just go off those. Fill level most importantly. Yeah, please hit the subscribe button because it really does help. It's free, it helps me more than anything, and more importantly, give me a thumbs up. See you in the next video, guys.